Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today you join us with Kieran, and today we're going to be reviewing his Integra Dc5 and showing you around the good points, the bad points, and all of his favourite parts of the car. So yeah, stay tuned guys, this one's going to be a fun one. As you can see, this is a great example of a DC5, and this lovely man here is the owner. So Kieran here is going to show us around this car, and we're going to see a few of the things from his point of view as an owner and get to know a little bit more about the car itself. So, if you want to introduce us to your car, what is it, if people are unaware from the title, but what is your car?
Well, this is a championship white pre-facelift Integra Dc5 Type R.
Okay, doke. So, as most people have told me before, these are all imported, I believe. They were never made in England.
Yeah.
So every single one of these that you see on the road has come from Japan.
Yeah.
How long has this one been in the country?
This one has been imported, I think it was the start of 2015, so it's just over 3.5 years.
So it hasn't really been on English soil that long at all?
Not really, no.
Previous owners in the country, or yourself first?
It was imported by Torque GT, so they initially was first owners, and then there's been one actual UK owner. That was who I bought the car from, so I'm the second owner of this.
Is that it's still got the import labels on the car?
Oh yeah, this is it. Yeah. Got the.
So that's
import.
From the import.
So you can
from
see all the writing. It's all Japanese.
So that's pretty cool that the previous owner left that on, obviously, when it was removed. Honestly, the car, to be fair, bodywork condition, it's pretty mint, isn't it, really? I mean, there's not really any dings or anything.
No, it's got like little little stone chips here and there, but of course that's going to be normal for the sort of car of this age.
But I mean, to get one in this condition, you're looking like
this is very good.
They come very few and far between to get one that has been unabused to the level of this car. You've got your little
sticker
sort of
that Mr. Navo put on this
little
car.
character. Obviously got all the red accents on the badges.
Yep.
Nice looking. None of them. Yeah. A lot of these usually wear the red peels off them, to be honest, but that still looks quite fresh.
I mean, there's a little bit of wear on the Type R on the R. Yeah. The red bit on it, but I need to change that.
One thing I've always said about these cars is they look absolutely stunning for the age of them. They never seem to show their age. Like for the age of the car. How old is the car? 03?
Yeah, 03, so 15 years old.
So for a 15-year-old car, it doesn't look like they're timeless. They never seem to age. And I've always loved this angle from the back of these cars with these lights and that wing. It looks awesome. We're going to get Kieran to pop the bonnet and we're going to take a look under the hood and see where the heart of the beast lies. So is the engine standard itself, or
pretty much? Yeah, I mean, as you can see, it's got an aftermarket induction kit, but pretty much it's how it's come from the factory.
These cars perform at such a level from standard, there's not really that much point in messing with them unless you're going to go for serious power, because I believe Hondas are quite hard to match. You have to have a Honda data ECU, which costs a lot of money, and realistically, unless you're going to start throwing sort of money at the ECU work, you're not going to get the benefit from any of the sort of mods that you put onto it, unless you start actually messing with that. When Kieran first got this car, the first thing we both said was it was completely silent. You can hit VTEC, you can drive it as you want, and it was silent. There was no noise to it at all. And obviously everyone knows that sort of VTEC scream as soon as you get into the sort of rev band. And it was just missing, but now it's got that. It changes the car totally in the way it sounds and drives. So we're going to take a quick look around the inside of the car now and see what's going on in the interior. So welcome to the inside.
Yep.
I am going to welcome to your own car and welcome them to your car.
Welcome.
So interior wise, what's been done to this?
Not too much, to be fair. There's a few stickers here and there, quite tasteful stickers at that. I've got an aftermarket Pioneer head unit as well. As you can see, I've got the Recaro little pillow things for your head. What You'll probably find this if you go into an Integra. These seats are great. They hug you, but these plastic bits where they've lined them up to the person, you hit your head on these. Hence the pillows. So if you do have an Integra and you have the same problem, I recommend these little pillows because they're very good.
Simple little thing, but stop something becoming very annoying. So with love and hate, that's one of the things you don't really like about the design of the car.
They're brilliant. They look amazing, but it's quite hard on the head. You'll probably notice as well from the B-roll the original Integra Type R floor mats.
So would they come from factory?
They come from factory. So most Integras, unfortunately, they don't have the floor mats for some reason.
The actual car, like the way you sit, it's a nice place to be.
Yeah.
And I love the pedals as well, the aluminium machine pedals, because that just looks brilliant when it's on there, because they're billet aluminium. So
that's it.
That's pretty cool. So all in all, then, when you're driving this car, day to day, would you say you get on alright with it?
It's a very good car. Very good car. It's what you need when you want to go fast, and it's what you need when you want to just you know, cruise and go to the shops.
I mean, you drove all the way to Devon with us.
Oh yeah.
And you said
it's very comfortable.
Fine on the motorway, so
very comfortable car.
It's kind of what you need, really, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not too bad with like fuel economy. Of course, if you like put your foot down and things like that, you're gonna get a lot worse.
I mean, that can be said for most cars.
Well, that's it, of course.
A lot of people say that the fuel economy is terrible, but I mean, the right foot, the pedal on the right is the one that sort of controls economy.
Exactly.
The harder you press it, the lower your economy is going to go. Exactly. You've said that this car's been your dream car for some time, hasn't it?
It has. It's to be fair, 7 months on, I still can't believe I've got it.
No.
Really.
Would you say this was like a poster car for you? Like
yeah. It's just a very, like, to me, I mean, everyone's got their own opinions, but to me, this is a very timeless car. It's just one of them cars that you will never get bored of.
No. It's all about finding that balance in it with the daily, something that's fun and reliable, but it's not going to do your head in the amount of time with fuel and other things like that. It's not going to drive you completely mental. If someone was looking to buy one of these, would you say go for it?
Yeah, you would. I would definitely. I mean, if you've sort of had like an EP3, and it's kind of if you've had like sort of bad experiences or you like Hondas. You always want to go with the sort of the raw race sort of ones, like the Integras, the EKs, all them sort of ones. They are they're very hardcore, not hardcore, but they're very track cars. You can feel it through when you drive it. Sort of thing. But I would definitely recommend a Integra. Definitely.
So I think it's about time we heard this sound of this VTEC that everyone's finally been itching to hear on this car. Obviously everything's kept within speed limits.
Yep.
So the noise when it crosses over. There it is. Over, it never ceases to put a smile on your face.
It doesn't, honestly.
That's the thing with them.
Such a nice car to drive. So nice.
That's what I mean. And unless you've driven one, you're not going to know. And there's all these people that say, oh, Honda's are tacky, Honda's are chavvy, all this. Go drive one. Go drive one, then say your comments. So the big question is, are you going to let me have a go?
Of course.
You're going to trust me with your baby?
I look after it.
I will do. I'll treat it with respect. Gears are so short.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's not bother adjusting the seat, man. That's what we're going to be here all day. I always forget how short the throw is on Hondas. It's so like snappy, the gear changes, and they're very short gears as well.
They are very short
when you're driving it round.
Very short, yeah.
I love the seating position though; it's great. I get what you mean about the clutch. It feels a bit sort of. It's not very stiff. It's progressive almost, so it's like it's light, but then it goes a little bit harder towards the end. Have you let many people drive this?
No, No.
So it's got a
you're the only one. Oh yeah, I trust.
It's quite
Because you have to, especially with the LSD, you have to know what you're doing, because it can be like very uneasy to drive with the steering. So you have to sort of know, you have to wrestle it.
Gotta remember that indicator on the right hand side. But yeah, one thing I will say is the visibility on this car is mad. Like,
yeah,
there's a lot of like windows and glass, and the turning circle's awful, isn't it? It's terrible. I get what you mean about the turning circle. That is something else.
Yeah.
Anyone that says that these cars are boring needs to go and drive one, because they're obviously talking from no experience.
Yeah.
They've got to be.
Such a fun car. Such a fun. When VTEC comes
It falls and it just keeps going.
Yeah,
man.
it does.
It's mental.
It does.
But I can't imagine what these would be like turboed or supercharged.
Yeah.
You'd really have to fight to drive this car.
Yeah.
But what I love about this car is you can have some fun, and then you can just drive it like it's a regular car.
Yeah. Exactly.
I reckon anyone would be able to drive one of these normally. I think it's only when you sort of come into power that, like you said, you can feel that the grip is different.
Yeah.
One thing that I've always known about Hondas is they're not very torquey low down.
No.
All the power's in the top end.
Yeah.
So if you were driving it like you're driving a boosted car, like the first time I drove a Honda, I was used to either turbo cars or diesels. So I sort of jumped into the car expecting it to drive the same, and I was like, this is really sluggish. But it's not until, in fact, it was you that told me, you're not driving it properly.
Yeah.
So I jumped into the passenger seat, you threw it around a corner, and it felt totally different. And then when I realised you have to rev these things,
you have to abuse the engine to get anything out of these.
that feeling every single time, that is awesome. You can definitely feel the diff. 100%.
Oh yeah. You have to know what you're doing though.
Oh, yeah.
It does go all over the place.
And also when the camera's a bit iffy on the road, it's a bit, something smoky just went down there. Right, we'll have one last pull, and then we'll give it back to you, and you can enjoy your car. Never ceases to make a smile. Never. I don't think it ever will. Well, thank you very much for showing us around your car.
You're welcome.
Thank you for letting me have a go in it, because it's been great fun. And I'm sure you guys have enjoyed the video too. If you have, be sure to hit like, drop a comment down below, let us know what you think of Kieran's car, and hit subscribe so you're and turn notifications on, so that you'll get all the notifications of when the new uploads are out. Thank you very much, guys. It's been a pleasure. See you again soon.